All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're talking about a tool that tries to solve one of the biggest headaches in trading. How do you actually find a winning strategy without spending your entire life staring at charts? We're going to take a look at FxMath Quant, a piece of software that's all about automating that discovery process. But first, to really get why a tool like this even exists, you got to understand the core problem, the big challenge that every single trader from day 1 to year 20 is up against.
And this really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? It's the question that I think keeps a lot of traders tossing and turning at night. Is finding a strategy that actually works, consistently, as mind-bogglingly difficult as it feels? Is it, almost impossible?
I mean, just think about what you're up against. The markets are unbelievably complex. They're fast. You've got dozens, maybe hundreds of variables all moving at once. Trying to manually test every single combination of indicators and settings to find that one tiny edge, that is a truly endless, exhausting search.
And that's exactly the problem that FxMath Quant is built to solve. It's designed to be an automated solution to that manual, time-sucking grind.
So what is this thing really? Well, under the hood, it's a pretty sophisticated piece of software written in C++, which tells you it's built for speed and power. Its whole job is to optimize trading strategies. But the real magic, the engine that makes it all go, is something called genetic algorithms.
Now, that word genetic, that's the key to this whole thing. It's not just some cool-sounding marketing term. So let's pop the hood and really break down how this genetic engine actually works.
The whole idea is ripped straight from Darwin's playbook, from biology's natural selection. So instead of you having to build and test strategies one by one, the software uses these evolutionary algorithms to automatically discover the profitable ones for you.
So here's how that evolution plays out. It's basically survival of the fittest, but for trading rules. First, the system creates a huge population of totally random strategies. Then, it tests every single one on historical data to see how they did. The ones that fail, they're gone. The top performers, the survivors, are selected. And here's the really clever part. The system then breeds these winners, mixing their best traits to create a new, hopefully even better generation. And it just repeats this cycle over and over, thousands of times, until a truly optimal strategy emerges from the chaos.
Okay, so that's the powerful idea behind it all. But what are the actual building blocks you're working with? Let's take a look at the toolkit the system uses to build and test everything.
The algorithm starts with a whole bunch of classic, well-known technical indicators. Think of them as its Lego bricks. You've got your moving averages for tracking trends, things like RSI and MACD for momentum, Bollinger Bands and ATR for volatility, all the usual suspects. It then combines these familiar tools in ways a human probably would never even think to try.
So, the software takes those indicators and starts combining them into strategies with a flexible set of rules. Anywhere from 3 to 8 rules per strategy. And what's really crucial here is that risk management is baked in right from the start. It can automatically set your stop loss and take profit based on how volatile the market has been recently, using the average true range. That's pretty smart.
Okay, so finding a strategy that worked perfectly in the past is one thing, but you have to ask yourself, was that just a fluke? Was it just perfectly suited for that one specific time period? That's where the quality control comes in. The system runs 2 really critical checks to make sure the strategy is solid. It uses a Monte Carlo validation to seriously stress test it and a buy-sell balance filter to make sure it's not just a one-trick pony that only works when the market is going up.
And this number right here, it really shows you how serious that stress test is. The Monte Carlo validation isn't some quick check. It takes each promising strategy and runs 1,000 different simulations on it. It's like putting it through the ringer 1,000 times, just to be absolutely sure that its performance wasn't a one-off stroke of luck.
So, you've gone through the whole process. The system has evolved, tested, and validated a robust strategy. The big question is, what now? How do you actually take this from the software and put it into action? Let's look at deployment.
Well, once you've got a strategy you like, the software makes it really easy to use it. You can export the code directly for platforms like MetaTrader or get the Pine script for TradingView. If you're building something custom, you can get the data in JSON format, and it'll even generate simple HTML reports just for your records.
And it's important to know, while all this complex evolution is happening in the background, you're not just staring at a progress bar. You get a real-time results table where you can watch everything unfold. You can see new generations of strategies being born and sort them by performance as it's all happening.
All right, let's bring this all home and talk about the final piece of the puzzle, what the source material says about how you can access this tool and what it costs.
The pricing model is super straightforward. There are just two tiers. It's $99 if you choose to pay with cryptocurrency and $129 if you use something like a credit card or PayPal.
And here's the part that's a pretty big deal. According to the source, either one of those payments gets you a lifetime license. It's a one-time fee, and that one purchase also includes all future software updates, so you're not going to be paying again down the road.
So all of this brings us to one final big question. When you see how raw computing power can be thrown at a task that's always been so manual, so frustrating, it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? Is this kind of automated discovery powered by these crazy ideas like genetic algorithms? Is this the future of how everyday retail traders are going to build their strategies? Food for thought.